Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scroll saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DW788 1.3 amp 20. Professional, intermediate, and adventurous beginners should get this 20-inch Dewalt scroll saw. It doesn't just boast of accuracy, but also of vibration-free and quiet operation. Unlike other scroll saws that have blades that are difficult to change, this one has a tool-free blade clamp that will allow users to quickly switch in the blade they want to work with. This Dewalt has a superb vibration-reducing capability. It features a double parallel link arm design that improves work output and minimizes the amount of vibration produced. You can also work minus all that noise because of how well it disperses extra vibration and movements. Working on those more intricate patterns and cuts, this can be relied on for such purposes. It allows users full control over the blade, thanks to its nearly vibration-free mechanism. It has a cutting depth of 2 inches that allows users to work with different materials. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Delta Power Tools 40. This tool is a product of Delta's 90 years of experience and expertise in making equipment for woodworking. With a variable speed setting from 400 to 1750 SPM, a stroke length of 3/4 inch, and left and right 0 degrees to 45 degrees table tilt, this is a scroll saw that can accommodate your various cutting needs. This unit comes with an impressive 5-year limited warranty that is longer than many warranties offered by other companies. Many customers commended its comparatively quieter functions. The vibration is a lot less compared to others, and there is not a lot of excess movement with the blade. As a result, you are getting more precise results with your cutting. It has effortless blade positioning and a changing system. The upper arm can be lifted up and then locked for more seamless removal and replacement of blade. There is also no need to buy extra tools to allow quick blade changes. It features an on-tool blade storage area. It keeps your workspace organized and also prevents extra blades from getting lost. At number 3, we have the Dremel MS20. The versatility of this Dremel scroll saw kit is what makes it a great choice for experienced woodworkers and contractors who might be looking for an all-in-one cutting tool. It cuts a variety of materials including wood, plexiglass, PVC, laminate, and metal. It also has adjustable functions that allow for a customized way to operate this saw. This is actually a very affordable scroll saw kit. For its price, you will be amazed by the many things it can do. It can actually give the more expensive scroll saws out there a run for their money. One of its more remarkable features is its ability to cut different types of materials. From flexible materials to sturdy and unforgiving ones like metal and wood, this should accommodate your various cutting needs. At number 2, we have the Fox W1713. Its variable speed control settings work well with the various cutting needs of professional and beginner woodworkers and contractors. This is a solid scroll saw built to last. Its cast iron construction is durable and resistant to wear and tear. You can subject it to harsh conditions and it will still serve you well. This scroll saw also boasts of a large table for more cutting capacity. The table has a tilt function. You can cut in different angles from 0 to 45 degrees. It is compatible with both a plain and pin-end blade. Changing the blade is easy as it comes with the adapters needed to get the job done. It is easy to work with. The hold-down shoe is completely adjustable, and this works in preventing the workpiece from getting out of place when the blade moves. And finally, at number 1, we have the BWEN 3900 21/16" 2. The Win3921 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw is one of the most versatile scroll saws on the market. This device comes with a unique design that accepts blades in 2 directions. It comes with high-end features that deliver precise and clean cuts. If you are looking for the best scroll saw for the money, then this should be one of your top options. The length of this saw's throat is 16 inches, and you can turn the blade sideways. This provides you with infinite ripping capacity. This feature comes in pretty handy, especially when you consider the price of the tool. It comes with a toolless thumb screw blade adapter that works with both pinless and pin blades. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.